I'm going to bring you into the kiln room of a friend of mine and show you what her kilns are like. She's had them for a really long time. Come on in. This thing is 20 years old. It is a GenCan Oval 13. Elements definitely need to be changed in here. When you've got, this kind of bulging and you can see like a pin pulling out, that definitely needs to be changed. Over 20 years, it's had lots and lots of mechanical relay changes. It's had multiple element changes, but the more you're changing out your elements and get them kind of solidified, and the more you use your kiln, and this kiln is used probably 4 to 5 times a week, you're going to have, maintenance issues. So if you look up here, she's got spare elements ready to go. Good job. A great exhaust fan, because this kiln room is kind of small, so she's got something to pull the heat out and circulate her air. She also has a window here above the kiln so that can get even more fresh air coming in, and then other air, the hot air going out. And let's see what else. Her controller is over here. Lots of kiln shelves. We definitely should clean that up a little bit, but it's on the proper stands. It definitely needs to be further away from these walls. But what she did, which was really smart since she had limited space, was she put in fireproof lining so that, this is all going to be heat resistant through here. So it's tight, but she's done as all the safety options that she could do. This is also really smart, is making sure she's got something to hold her kiln lid, because the GenCan lids don't have struts. So you're basically dealing with your own strength when you're lifting and loading, and you never want your kiln lid to, bam down and hurt the bricks here. And as you can see, this maybe needs just a little bit of tightening, but it's fine. You could continue to run this as is. And I think maybe there's if you go in closely here, you can see that there's just a little bit of brick damage, but that's cosmetic. Also down there, a tiny little bit of brick damage. I think that's probably from changing the elements, and that's really cosmetic also. So she should be able to get years more of function from this kiln. It's already 20 years old. All of this is just cosmetics, nothing major. She doesn't have any major lid cracking, but she is going to have to take care of that element issue. So that is just a little survey of an older kiln and what you might want to think about when you have a kiln long term, things that are issues.